Hello guys, are you an accountant and you are looking for one of the side hustle business that you can actually start and get to do it on part-time or even full-time and eventually helps you in supplementing either your extra income or even give you an income that is going to further your studies? In this video, I'm going to mention to you one of the best side hustle business you can actually start as an accountant, and if you get to follow the training, the mentorship, and the skills you need to do this business, you can actually get to achieve that dream of having a side hustle business that is actually paying you. My name is Brolin Muchesia. I'm a seasoned entrepreneur in digital marketing and e-commerce business. I'm going to teach you one of the digital marketing business that if you get to do it, then you can actually achieve that goal of having a side hustle business. As I start, I want to quickly go through some of the limitations that can actually make you to start a side hustle business, and these are some of the problems that you face as an accountant. Therefore, starting a side hustle business comes in as an alternative option. First limitation is your salary doesn't increase. You find that maybe you have worked for 5 or even 10 or even 15 years, but you still have that constant salary compared to the amount of work that you are doing on daily basis. Number two limitation you could be facing as an accountant is your potential income is relatively dependent on the level of expertise you have or the level of experience you have. For example, you're going to find out maybe your experience is 5 years, 10 years, or just 1 year. And if you compare the people who have an experience of, let's say, 5 years or even 10 years, the level of income is higher than those who are just new or have just graduated, or maybe they could be having 1 or 2 years experience. So the level of income will not be the same. Number three is certifications and education. Under this limitation, you're going to find out that higher income levels require you to have a certain level of education or even advance in studies. For example, you need to go for CPA, sometimes you go for CMA or even MBA, which requires you to have a significant time and financial requirements. Last limitation you could be facing as an accountant is it comes in terms of the company size, location, or even the industry you are working from. Here I mean by those accountants who are working in large companies are going to have a higher income compared to those who are working in smaller companies or companies that are just starting off. So some of these limitations might lead you to have an alternative source of income that is actually going to supplement or even help you in succeeding as an accountant. And that's why I've prepared for you one of the best business model that if you get to follow the training, you get to follow the mentorship and the coaching, you can actually succeed by either doing it part-time or full-time. So the question is, what kind of business is this? Now, if you have never heard or this is your first time about this business, this is network marketing business. So the first question is, what is network marketing business and how does this company work? One, in simple terms, network marketing, this is a business model whereby you join a reputable company and your work is to promote product and service, and in turn you get to earn a commission. And for you to learn on how network marketing companies work, I've done another video explaining how network marketing companies work, everything you need to know about network marketing, and down in the description section, I'm going to leave a link on how network marketing companies work. But however, if you are going to join a well-reputable company that follows the ethic and the contacts of the community, these are the benefits you are going to get when you join a network marketing business. Number one is this business is going to supplement or give you an extra income, especially during financial pressure. As an accountant, you might find that you are doing a lot of work, but since your salary is constant, then you need to have an extra income, and network marketing can come in as an option to give you or to help you in solving that equation. The second benefit of getting started in this kind of business is it has a flexible schedule. Now, what do I mean by this? The nature of network marketing allows you to have a flexible schedule. For example, during your free time, maybe let's say during the evening hours, maybe the weekends, the holidays, and this business you're actually going to start it without interfering your job. It doesn't mean that you're going to quit, no, or you're going to leave a job. No, you can still do this business on part time, depending with the time you are free or the time that you're not that kind of being very busy. Another benefit to get when you get started in network marketing is on networking skills. Now, if you look at the nature of networking marketing, it requires you to have a strong communication and networking skills. This is whereby you learn on how to relate with the people, on how to build relationship with the clients, or even on how to present. And as an accountant, if you are going to learn on how to network and interact with some of the clients, you can find out that some of these people can actually be your potential customers. They could be the people who are looking for the product, or some could be the prospect that who are looking for this kind of business. So what we just need is to build relationship and get to understand what do people actually need and what are people looking for. Also, engaging in network marketing company will help you as an accountant to develop skills in terms of maybe let's say sales, in terms of marketing, and even in customer relationship. And some of these skills will give you an ability to have that managerial skills in terms of how are you going to deal with the clients, how are you going to satisfy some of their needs, how are you going to help them in understanding the business. So some of these diversified skills you are going to learn as an accountant in as a result of joining a network marketing company. What you just need to follow is the training and get to follow the coaching of network marketing company, and that's when you are going to interact and actually present this business to different people, different clients, and different friends you are going to be making. As I'm almost finishing up on the benefits of getting started in network marketing is another benefit you can get is on stress relief and variety. Now, if you look at your profession, sometimes it can be stressful and monotonous due to the daily task routine and the burnout that comes alongside your job. However, network marketing can offer you a different solution in terms of in this kind of business, people travel, people enjoy lifestyle, people visit different places, people go to events, people go to different occasions. Now, this is where you come to. For example, we can decide to go for events like camping, hiking, or even team activities, team camping, depending what day we are decide as a team. So if you look at the nature of your work, there are times you need at least to relax your mind. You need to have that peace of mind, and network marketing can offer you that solution because this is not a business that has a fixed schedule, has a fixed routine. No, you only work during the time that you are free. Second last benefit of joining a network marketing company is on you are going to build your personal growth and confidence. How? Success in network marketing companies often comes or involves different personal activities. For example, you are going to learn on how to present, you're going to learn on how to read different books. And for example, some of the books that you're going to read that are going to elevate you or make you to understand this business well is, for example, if you read the Business of 21st Century book by Robert Kiyosaki, if you read the book known as Rich Dad and Poor Dad, Think and Grow Rich, on how to win friends and influence people, or even read the book of that talks about the magic of thinking big, you're going to learn different skill sets that are very good in building in your confidence and actually helping you in building your self-esteem. Also, you're going to learn on how to train people, you're going to learn on how to present. Even if you're an introvert, you're going to learn on how to relate with people. So some of these things that you're going to learn on your personal growth are very good in building a successful team and even making people to understand this kind of business. And lastly, as an accountant, you can build a client base expansion. In network marketing, it can actually give you that opportunity to expand your client base by interacting with a diverse group of different people from different groups, different countries, different locations, and you can find that there are people who are actually looking for the client services. And in network marketing, we have so many people who joins this business with coming from different background. So maybe some of them could be your clients. So those are some of the benefits of you getting started in network marketing business. However, if you want to ask me any question about network marketing business, you can leave it in the comment section. As I'm finishing up, You could be asking yourself, can I do this business? Do you have people who have done this business? Personally, when I look at myself, when I was joining a network marketing company, I was still a college student. And during that time, I was a person whom I will say my circle of friends were very few people. I didn't know how to talk to people. I didn't know how to present. But the person who introduced me to this kind of business assured me that if you are going to follow the skills, you're going to follow the training, you're going to follow the coaching, then you have a guarantee that you are going to succeed in this business. To cut the long story short, if you look me today, I'm able to present to people, I'm able to answer all the questions, I'm able to stand before a crowd and actually show them how this business is being done. And I want to assure you, if you are going to follow all those trainings, all the coachings, then you have a guarantee that you're going to succeed in this business. So if you have an interest in joining or getting started in network marketing business, I'm ready to show you a very reputable company, a company that follows the ethics and the contracts of the industry, because I understand we have illegal pyramid schemes, we have Ponzi schemes, we have scams, and I understand there are companies that are not following the requirements that are needed. However, if you want to get to that genuine company, that legitimate company, I'm ready to help you in getting started in network marketing. Down below where there is more, you're going to find the description section. I'm going to leave my WhatsApp contact there. Reach out to me. Let's interact. I'm ready to schedule with you a Zoom meeting or even send you a presentation about network marketing. However, I want to thank you for watching this video. If you have found something informative, let me know it in the comment section. Otherwise, remember to like, to subscribe, and to leave your question in the comment section. Waiting you on my WhatsApp.